Hey guys, Paul from JCR Chassis Works here. Thought I'd take a minute, make a quick video showing you the 2004 to 2006 GTO fabricated throttle pedal that we build. This particular one here is configured for the low car style cable with a clevis that would just go around. The clevis would go around here and go out to your firewall and the cable. You can also use a Morse style cable with the ball end, the quick connect, or solid linkage with a rod going out, the carburetor or what have you. This particular one here also has the pullback for your toe. When your foot's on the gas pedal, if the throttle were to stick, you can just lift up and pull the throttle back up to unstick it, which is a requirement in many sanctioning bodies and classes. One thing to note is that the pullback will not work with an OEM style cable. You would have to be running a Morse cable or again solid linkage or something. But if it were me building a car, I would definitely be converting it over to a Morse style cable if you're going to a throttle body, simply because you're able to utilize the pullback on it if the throttle were to stick. With the OEM style cable, being that it's not rigid, if you were to pull the gas pedal down, it would just bow that, put slack in that cable, and the throttle wouldn't return. And I have this one, the bolt tight in it, so it's not all flopping around while we're trying to talk, because normally that would just move very smoothly. If you want the pullback on it, those are available as an option. Get with me on it and we can make a plan and exactly what you need. And again, if you need this section of it moved up to align with the way you're doing your cable or linkage, or you need a different style end on it, you need some offset. If in the end where you've done your gas pedal mounting, if this isn't long enough, if you need it moved back, you need it moved up. Since we cut all these in-house and we do all the CAD drawings and cut files here, we can move some of that stuff many times at no additional charge. Anyway, if you're interested, let me know. The pedal without the tow hook is $300 plus shipping. And have a blessed day.